Welcome to the world of nature Aquascape by Kondody Aqua Fins. The scape what you watching is a vertical paludarium set up by KAF. A paludarium is a type of terrarium that will include both water and land features. The word paludarium derives from the Latin word for swamp. Having a fixed land fixture inside your aquarium, or fixed water feature inside your terrarium, can expand the loss of species you can house in your tank. They are much easier to maintain in comparison to fully aquascaped aquariums because they pretty much look after themselves if you choose the right plants and animal species. The aim is to replicate rainforests, wetlands and streams to let hobbyists keep a diverse collection of both land animals and plants, with aquatic animals and plants. Hope you like the scaping. To bring this nature to your interiors or workspace, contact KAF on this number.